Welcome to our part 4 yard transformation video. On today's video, Dan will make a raised garden bed and then we'll install the drip irrigation system, and I'll be planting and decorating our little beautiful garden. So without further ado, let's get started. Donnie was going to build 2-foot by 8-foot raised garden bed, and he had the lumber cut accordingly at Home Depot. They do a great job at cutting the woods for you if you give them all the dimensions. But since we decided to put the bed at the back of the house where there is a little bit more room, he had to adjust the cutting to 3-foot by 8-foot using a handsaw. So for this project, we bought 3 8-foot long 2x10s. So it is a 10-inch deep bed, $12 each, and 2 8-foot long 2x4s, $3.73 each. We could have done it without the 2x4s. It can be done to make it even cheaper, but he used the 2x4 to make a rail and to create a more comfortable area for me to sit and take care of the plants. Now Dan is cleaning up the area first to make it even and free of weeds. So just so you know, the woods we bought are non-pressure treated woods to avoid the chemical that comes with it. As you see here, Dan is pre-drilling the wood to avoid any splitting, and he'll be using 3-inch deck screws. So this is the rail that he's building right now that I was talking about earlier. So you can see the picture here, how it's helping me to sit on it and making it easier for me to take care of the plants. So we paid $40 in total for this 7 to 8 bags of Organic Nature Care brand garden soil. So Dan is filling up the garden bed with this Organic Nature soil. Oh, forgot to mention, in case you want to know where we got the soil from, we got it from Home Depot. Okay, now the raised bed is all set and ready for me. I'm starting to plant everything. I'm gonna plant cherry tomatoes and rosemary, and ginger, and I'll show you all the rest of the plants that I am planting right now. So stay tuned.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Okay, now that I'm done with planting, Dan will be installing drip irrigation system. The kit we're using is Dig ML50 drip irrigation kit. We will make sure to link it below for you, where we got it from and the pricing and all that. Maybe attach the link to it, so if you want to check it out. Yeah, so this system has been really amazing addition to our newly made raised garden. I'm sure it will make our life so much easier moving forward. We don't have to water it every day, like manually water it. All we have to do is set the timer, and then it will turn on the water automatically for you, and we'll water it, make sure everything is good. So I'm very excited.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel.
Wow, so you can see here, it's watering our plants. Like I say, we don't have to worry about watering it ourselves by hand every day. So this is such a great system to install. It's very easy to install. You just have to follow the manual. very easy to follow too. Already 3 weeks in, our plants are already grown. So you'll see me here removing some leaves from the bottom because we don't want it to touch the soil. This is the cherry tomatoes. We'll also be removing some dead and damaged leaves to promote the growth of tomatoes, peppers, and the zucchini I have here.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized.
Hey friends, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. So next video will be finishing up the decoration and transformation of our backyard, and I cannot wait to show you that video. Tune into that. So I'm putting this bamboo over the tomato to support it so it doesn't fall off. I also added the metal on the right side to support the parsley, and I'll add 2 woods on the back. I see this in a way as a decorative piece in a garden. For some reason, for me, make it look even more prettier when you add this woods and the metal and all that. How cute is this art? I feel like it added a great touch to this little garden area of mine. So I really like that. So I'm finishing off my herb and veggie garden decor by adding this LED light. So you guys, as you see here, the cherry tomatoes are popping. We also have hot pepper, green bell pepper, rosemary, and we have red onion, ginger, mint, basil, and zucchini. So we have a plan to grow more as we go. You guys, there is no better feeling than growing your own organic veggies and fruits. I challenge you to grow your own. You don't have to make a raised bed. You can plant in the ground or even in a pot. So guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe if you're new. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.